In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Airtable data as a CSV file. Whether you're doing a comprehensive data analysis or simply looking to back up your information, exporting your data is a straightforward process that can be accomplished in just a few steps. To get started, first navigate to your Airtable homepage. This is where you have an overview of all your workspaces. A workspace is essentially a collection of related base tables, and today you'll be selecting the specific workspace from which you want to export data. After you've logged into your Airtable account and are on the home page, take a moment to identify and choose the workspace that you want to export as a CSV. Selecting the right workspace is key since this is where your desired data resides. Once you've chosen your workspace, the next step is to look towards the layout or the upper part of your screen and click on Grid View or Grid 2. This view is typically used for more detailed and structured data analysis and is where much of the organizational work happens. By setting your view correctly, you ensure that you're exporting exactly the data you need. In this grid view, you'll find an option labeled Download CSV. Click on this option to kick off the export process. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a universally recognized file format that helps store tabular data. It makes sharing within or outside the organization much easier as it can be opened by most data management tools, from Excel to Google Sheets. After clicking Download CSV, a prompt will appear asking for a final confirmation. Here, you'll simply click OK to confirm your choice. This step is crucial as it ensures you've consciously decided to download the data, preventing any accidental downloads which could lead to data clutter or privacy concerns. Once confirmed, the CSV file begins to download directly to your computer. Depending on your browser and operating system, you should see the file appear in your default download location. From here, navigating to the folder where your new CSV file is stored will allow you to access it for your next steps, whether that's analysis, backup, or sharing with a team member. The process of exporting your data as a CSV is quick and efficient, making it easier for you to manage and utilize your data across different platforms. If at any point in the process you encounter difficulties or need further assistance, don't hesitate to revisit the Airtable support pages or community forums, which are filled with helpful tips and advice. And there you have it, a simple way to export your Airtable data as a CSV. If you liked this guide, be sure to stay tuned for more tutorials like this one. Happy exporting!